Okay, Kimmy, we're on page 8. We are on page 8 of Fun with Reading. So turn your page. We're gonna sing So Many People Came, like the farmer in the dell. We're singing it to the tune of the farmer in the dell. Ready? So many people came, so many people came.
Auntie,
Kaylee, you have to come over somewhere because I can't hear you properly.
where are you again?
Page 8 on Fun with Reading. Turn, yes, that page. So many people came. So many people came. The Spaniards, they were first. The English, Africans, and Chinese are just a few who came. The first people who came. They saw the Tainos here. They stole their lands and worked them hard until they all were dead. Isn't that a sad story? Too sad.
I don't like it anymore.
Yeah, that's not a nice story, but it's the truth, right? We're gonna sing it one more time. So many people came. The Spaniards, they were first. The English, Africans, and Chinese are just a few who came. The first people who came. All the Tainos here. They stole their lands and worked them hard until they all were
dead.
okay. We're sad for the Tainos. Do you know that there are some Tainos still alive? Did you know that? There are Tainos alive in other Caribbean countries, and there are even Jamaican Tainos, but they moved away, right? There are Jamaican Tainos, but they moved away. And some people have Taino heritage. Some people are mixed. Remember, we said some races are mixed. Some people still have Taino heritage in their family, right? Okay. Hold on a second for me. Sorry about that.
I don't know.
Look at the words. Some of the people who came were who? Yes, Aidan. Who are some of the people? Yes, just give me one. Africans, very good. Who wants to give me another one? Yes, Kaylee.
Spaniards.
Spaniards, thank you. Anyone else?
Look at the word. You read them a while ago. What's this one? So tell Auntie Tamika another set of people that came.
English people.
The English people, thank you. All right, so we have Spaniards, Africans, English. Who are we missing?
What is the next one, Kimaya?
The next one.
What is this C one?
Chinese.
Very good, the Chinese, very good. Okay. All right. So we're gonna learn some more about them, right? Now, page 9, let us look at page 9. Can you tell, right? We're just gonna talk about this one. You've already done this page, right? Yes. No, you didn't do it, Aidan, page 9? Who did page 9? Put up your hand if you've done page 9. Kaylee has done it. And Kimmy, okay? So we're gonna discuss it, Aidan, and you get to write the answer, circle your answers, right? Can you tell? Number one, the first people who came to Jamaica were the? Who were the first people?
Don't look at me.
Yes,
Look at
Idan?
the in the book. What word is this?
No, look. Look at the song again. So many people
Word.
came. They, who were first? They were first. Who were they? Yes, right. The Spaniards, they were first. So circle Spaniards.
I circle Spaniards.
So you never like, that was your answer. You have to tell her.
You have to talk up, Kimmy, because I'm not hearing you. When the Spaniards came, number two, when the Spaniards came to Jamaica, they saw the?
Who did this? You look at the answer.
Tainos. Tainos.
Tainos, they saw the Tainos hair, right?
So she's
They
answering.
saw the Tainos hair. Number three, ready? The Spaniards came from which country? Yes, Aidan? Oh, you never finished?
Did I say they came
Oh,
from?
continue. Let me wait on Aidan.
It came
Just
from
wait. Three. Number three, the Spaniards came from? Which country are the Spaniards from? Yes, Kimmy?
Spain.
Spain. So the answer circle for that one, Spain, and write Spain on the line.
Where did the Africans came from? No, that is the Spaniards. Where did the
Finished? Did you do, and now we are on four. Number four, mark the picture of the Chinese. Mark the picture of the Chinese. Okay, so on page 10 and 11, we learn a little bit about Jamaica and Jamaican culture. And we talk about Fridays, right? Fridays. Let us talk a little. Does mommy cook on a Friday? Who's mommy cook on a Friday? Everybody's mommy? Yeah? Kimmy, your mommy cook on a Friday? Kimmy and Kaylee. Okay, guess what? My mommy never used to cook on a Friday. And
We used to cook on a Friday sometimes.
Kaylee, Aidan was speaking first. Go ahead, Aidan.
I said, Grandma don't cook on Friday. No, we don't cook on Friday and Saturday.
Okay. I don't cook on Fridays and my mommy didn't used to cook on a Friday. What were you saying, Kaylee?
Sometimes my mommy cook on a Friday.
Okay. I normally do not cook on a Friday because on Fridays, we like to eat out. We like to eat food from a restaurant, right? So it gives us a break, gives me a break from cooking. I cook other days, especially on a Sunday, but I have a small family, so I don't need to cook a lot, right?
And
Yes.
well, sometimes we don't cook on Fridays because we can go out and get some food.
Right. So that is what I do. Most Fridays, I will get food from a restaurant or maybe have something light from home, like a sandwich. I don't really cook on a Friday. So on page 10 and 11, we are talking about Fridays because guess what? Most Jamaicans are like us. Most Jamaicans do not really cook on a Friday. They go out to a restaurant or to a food shop and they buy food that is already cooked, right? Okay. Friday food court buys on page 10.
You're on page 10.
Right?
Love it.
Now we say the first picture. What is that first picture? Can you describe it and read the word underneath it? Describe it and read the word underneath it. Yes, Kaylee?
Food.
Yes, describe the picture for me. Describe the picture for me.
Chicken, vegetable, peas and rice.
Do we say peas and rice? That's what we call it?
Okay.
Rice and peas. We call it rice and peas. Okay, so this is a typical Jamaican dinner. Rice and peas with chicken and vegetables. That's what I cooked for my dinner on Sunday. Do you know that? I cooked barbecue chicken with rice and peas and vegetable. And I also made macaroni and cheese. Now you can also buy this food at a restaurant. Yes, Aidan?
Me too.
That's what you had for dinner too on Sunday? Nice. All right. Next picture is, what is that word? The lady standing there. You have to tell me. I need you to unmute. What's that word? Yes, Kimmy? Yes, Kim?
Mommy.
Mommy. And the man standing next to her in a nice blue suit. Yes, Aidan?
Daddy.
Okay, now at the bottom we have 3 nice dishes that we love to eat in Jamaica.
No
Right?
food.
Let me see.
There's 3 at the bottom.
3 at the bottom, listen. All right, who wants to tell me the first one? It looks spicy, full of seasoning, isn't it? Yes, Kaylee, right?
Jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken. And the one beside it, what is it? Yes, Aidan?
Sweet and sour chicken. My favorite.
Yes, delicioso. Nice, isn't it? Guess what? I learned to make the sweet and sour sauce. I'm so proud of myself that I learned how to make sweet and sour sauce. So now I cook a nice sweet and sour chicken or sweet and sour pork. Yum, yum, yum.
What do you use?
What do I use to make it? Okay. I use ketchup, a little bit of vinegar, like a little spoon of vinegar, like a teaspoon, along with some brown sugar. And then I put a little spice in it, like red pepper flakes and some green sweet peppers. And I let it cook up like that, and it tastes so yummy, right?
Delicioso.
Delicioso. You can use white sugar or brown sugar. It depends on how you want your sweet and sour sauce to look, right? When you want it looking a little darker and richer, then you can use the brown sugar. If you want it to look clear like a jam, then you can use the white sugar. All right. The next one is curried goat. What is that dish down there? Do you like to eat that one? What is it? Next to the sweet and sour chicken. I told you, but do you know what it is? Do you like to eat it?
Which one?
The one beside the sweet and sour chicken.
This is jerk chicken. This is sweet and sour chicken. What's this?
Curry goat.
Nice? Is it nice?
Yeah.
Yes, it's nice. I like to eat it with roti. Tastes very good. Yes, because I like Indian food.
Me too.
Who am I kidding? I like most food.
Get big. I like food.
I do like food, but I'm not sure. Some food I don't like. I don't like tripe and bean and kidney. No, I don't eat that.
Guess what? I just eat tuna sandwich. That's the best thing ever.
Really?
Yes.
I like tuna. I like tuna too, but I think I'm the only person in my house that really eats it.
I add onion to mine.
Yeah, me too. Me too. Okay, so we have found out some dishes, mommy and daddy. They are at the food court. They can buy fried chicken, jerk chicken, sweet and sour chicken, or curried goat. All right, so we are on page 11 now. We're gonna read through this page. Read through this page and do the exercise on page 12. Listen, would you like me to read or would you like to read? You want to read? All right, go ahead. Kaylee was first. Kaylee, read the first two sentences and then Aidan, you will read the next two. So first, Kaylee, go ahead.
Mommy likes Fridays. On Fridays, Daddy, on Fridays, Daddy, Mommy, and I go to the food court.
Very good. Next, you Aidan now. From we to curried goat.
1, 2, 3. Mommy.
Shh, Kaylee, you have to mute your mic because I'm not hearing. Go ahead, Aidan. No, we go. Look at where you see, I go to the food court. You see that sentence? Underneath it now. We go. Somebody not there to show you. Put down the pencil for me, please. All right, I'm starting from the top again. Mommy likes Fridays. Read in your book, Aidan, and touch the word. Mommy likes Fridays. On Fridays, Daddy, Mommy, and I go to the food court. Your turn now. We
go to the food court.
Sound it?
No.
We go, right, dinner, go.
We buy the food we like.
Very good. Next one, you're gonna read down to the curried goat. So read the next sentence under the plate there.
Daddy buys curried goat.
Very good. Timmy? No. That's thank you. All right. Kimmy, you wanna read for me?
No, yes, you were reading with them, but you're going to read on your own now. Where she must read from?
From under the sweet and sour. From under the plate with the sweet and sour.
This one.
Mommy.
No, what's this word? It's the same word up here.
Sweet.
Buys.
Buys.
What's the word?
Buys.
Read again.
Mommy buys sweet and sour chicken. And
no, what's this word?
I buy jerked chicken with
what's this word? It's the same word up here. What's this one?
Like to go for dinner at the food court and
no, what's this word? No. Look at the word now and stop.
What letter it start with?
What's that word?
Oh.
No. Where's the book resting?
On the table.
On. What's this word?
On. Food.
No, what's this? It's the day of the week. What's this? The same word.
Friday.
And it has an S. So what is it?
Fridays.
Right. You want to
Very
read it
good.
again?
Nice try, Kimmy. Remember to touch the words and follow along, okay? Remember, touch the words and follow along. We're skipping to page 12 now that we've read everything and talked about it. And we're going to do the exercise. You guys can read it. I'm not going to help you. I'm going to help you. Read it. Skip back to page 11. Anybody needs me to really help them, they can ask me. But I think you read the exercise and you know the answers. Skip back on page 11. Look if you don't remember. And answer the questions, okay? Go ahead and try it for me. Any problem, let me know. Yes, Kaylee?
And what should we do?
Page 12, you're going to answer the questions there. Any problems, let me know. Skip back over to page 11 and look for the answers if you don't remember them. Yes, Aidan?
Why does Mommy like Fridays again?
All right, so you're gonna skip back to page 11 and read it. It says at the top there, it gives you the answer. Mommy likes Fridays. Then it tell you why. Because they, where do they go? Where do they go? Tells you why she likes Fridays. Yes, Kaylee? Go ahead. Go ahead.
He doesn't know how to cook.
Mommy can't cook, but she likes Fridays because she wants to go to the food court. She likes to go to the food court for dinner, right? Yes,
We
Kaylee?
go to the food court.
Right. Right. If you go to, yes, if you go to different places, Manor Park, so Sovereign Center has a big food court, right? Okay, so do your work now. If you have any more questions, you can ask me. Phonics. And we're on page 59. Okay, in the orange box at the top, it says, say the name of each picture. Print the letter for its beginning sound. That's the sound at the top. Then print the letter for its ending sound. That's the sound that it finishes with. The words in the box may help you. Now look at picture number 1. What is that a picture of? What's that? Yes, Kaylee?
Van.
All right, now listen to the word van. What letter does it start with? V. Yes, Aidan. V, the letter V. So you're going to write the letter V right in the space before the letter A. Right? Write the letter V on that line before the letter A. To begin the word. To begin the word, you write the letter V. Picture at number 2 is what? Yes, Kimmy?
Cow.
At number 2, what picture is that?
I said cow.
Does it look like a
doesn't look like a cow to me.
Why?
cow? Is not the only animal that eat grass.
Goat. Goat.
Look again.
Kimmy, read the picture, not what it is doing.
I cannot know what it is. I do not know what it
Look
is.
at it.
Kimmy.
I don't know.
Kimmy, look at it, please. What animal has that kind of a long snout? And it's a short animal
Look at it now.
with a fat little body.
Pig.
Right. It is a pig. Oh, you used to love Peppa Pig. You still love Peppa Pig?
Yes.
And you can't recognize the pig when you see it? Okay.
No.
All right. So listen to the word p, p, pig. What letter does it begin with? P,
P.
p. Right. So you're going to write P first. The first letter is P. Write the letter P on the line.
G.
Yes, so it's P.
Yes, then now, once you've written the P,
Let me go off mute yourself.
once you've written the P, the next letter is I, it's there for you. What does it end with? G, 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 g. What sound is that? What letter makes that sound? G.
You said you write it already.
G.
Good, good. So, pig. You see how it's easy to spell? All you have to do is to sound it out, right? The next letter, the next picture is of a what? Number 3. What picture is that? Yes, Kaylee. Yes, Kaylee, your hand was first.
But
Repeat, I did not hear you.
Fox.
It's a fox. So, what letter starts the word fox?
What letter starts the word fox? Pay attention to this page.
E. F.
Yes, Kimmy said it, F. You're going to write the letter F on that line at number 3 to begin the word. To start the word, you're writing the letter F. Are you with me, Aidan?
Oh.
All right. Then at the end,
S.
it ends with
X.
Listen to it. Shh, shh, shh.
X.
No, you said S.
Listen to the sound at the end. Ox. X, x. Which letter makes that sound? Do you know? Yes, Kimmy?
X.
X. Very good. The letter X ends the word fox. You can use the green box above to help you. If you're not sure, use that green box above. Next one, we finish writing our letter X? Aidan, did you write the X? Number 4 is what? Who knows? Look in the box over it to see if it can help you. Yes, Aidan?
Tub.
Tub. What does tub begin with? Tub. Yes, Kaylee.
T.
Very good. So write the letter T to begin the word. And what does it end with? Yes, Kimmy. B. Tub. B. B.
B.
B. Very good. Write the B to end the word tub. Write the B to end the word tub. At number 5, what picture do you see? Yes, Kimmy?
Bed.
Bed. What letter does bed begin
B.
with?
B.
Okay, yes, Kimoya said it. B. Letter B, right? B on the line.
No, that's D.
B. G. G.
Write it properly. Make sure you don't turn it the wrong way. B. B. All right, the next one, what does it end in? Bed. D. D. Who knows? Kaylee, go ahead.
D.
Good job. Write D on the line. Write D on the line. Yes, Kimmy, what the number 6?
Cat.
Cat.
C.
Very good. It starts with the letter C, right? C on the line. underneath the cat to begin the word? What does it end in? Cat. Aidan, I'm not hearing from you. Cat. What does it end in, Aidan? Cat.
What's next one?
Jar with
What? You have to unmute yourself and show me. You show me with your fingers. That look like an X. What letter ends it?
T.
T. So write T beside the letter A, okay? Make sure everybody has written that. Now number 7. I see something there. What picture is that at number 7? Yes, Kimmy, go ahead. What is that?
Jar.
It's a jar. J, 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 j. And
J.
Kimoya, what letter does it begin with? J. Please start the word J. Start the word with the letter J. Jar. R. R. What letter ends it? Jar. Jar. Which letter ends the word?
R.
Okay, Kimoya, you must wait though. R ends the word at number 7. So write R on the line to close or finish the word jar. Who can tell me what number 8 is a picture of? Yes, Aidan, what is that at number 8?
Web.
Web. What does it start with?
W.
Thank you. Write the letter W first. And if you think you know what it ends with, B, B, B.
B.
Yes. It is a B. Make sure you write it on the line. Web. Okay. Number 9 is what? Kimoya?
Ham.
Ham. Who loves to eat ham?
Me.
I sure do love ham.
Me love ham more than my ham.
You love ham more than your ham?
Auntie,
Yes.
remember the party when I Lawrence graduate party and I didn't want to eat it?
Yes, at Lauren's graduation party. Yes, man, we had a big ham. Not true.
I ate it.
I ate it too. And I had lots of ham for a long time in my fridge. Yes, Kimoya?
Ham. H.
Yes, it does begin with the letter H. The word ham begins with the letter H. Please write that first to begin the word. H.
Where's ham?
What does it end with?
What does it end with? M. Ham. M. Yes, Katie, right?
M.
M. So make sure you write the M there.
Write it.
Look at this picture of the bird. You see the red arrow pointing to something? What is that? What's his beak? Beak. Very good. What does beak start with?
B.
Yes, very good, Kimmy. Write the letter B to begin the word beak. What does it end with?
Here.
To look.
Okay. Write the B. It ends with what? Aidan, stop trying to show me. Just tell me. Unmute yourself and tell me.
S.
No.
K. Thank you, Aidan. It ends with
K.
K. Write the lowercase k on that line.
Already.
I'm gonna have to show you guys how to write lowercase and uppercase again, because sometimes when I get the word, I see capital K in the end of the word.
Auntie, I read lowercase k.
All right.
how lowercase k look.
All right, let me show you guys something. Since I am here, I'm looking for my pencil. It should be somewhere here. All right, so this is a lowercase. I'm gonna write it where number 10 is. The lowercase b, how I form it on the line, and the lowercase k, how I form it on the line. Look at it. Do you see it there clearly? Look at where the legs of the K are. They are below the center line. That is how your lowercase k look, right? If it is above the center line, if the leg is above the center line, that's the uppercase k.
I see my own below the line.
All right. Number 11. What's that? Anybody can tell? Use the green box to help you. Yes, Kimoya?
Y and D.
What is the
What is
word?
the word? What is the picture of? That's what I asked you.
Yard.
It's a yard, and yard begins with the letter Y. Aidan, make sure you're with me. Number 11 begins with the word, with the letter Y.
Already, miss.
All right, good. Number 11 begins with Y and it ends with D. Yard. D. Aidan, put that down, Aidan. Did you write the letter D at the end?
Finish, miss.
Okay, so it starts with Y and end with D. Number 11 starts with Y and end with D. Make sure you have that. You have number 11 done, Aidan?
Queen.
What does queen start with?
All right. Number 12 is queen. Queen is a funny little word. Who knows what queen starts with? Letter what? Yes, Kaylee. Queen. What does it start with?
Q.
It starts with Q. So when we hear Q, U makes the sound Q. So Q. Queen. What does it end with? Queen. Queen.
You should ask me.
E.
N. What does it end in? Very good, Kimoya. N. So write the N next to the two E's there to finish that word. And we are done with that, but I want you to do something else. I want you to skip and turn your page to page 60. You have some drawing to do and some sentences to write. Remember, we made up our own sentences, and I said they were so good, I can imagine that you will be able to write stories soon. Ready? Everybody with me?
No, I'm not ready. I'm still writing my name.
All right, I'm waiting.
She said she will.
Page 60. Page 60. It says in the yellow box, draw a picture of yourself with your friends. Write a sentence about the picture. All right, so you guys have lots of words, even from your flashcards. You have lots of words. Friend is even one of the words on your flashcards. So go ahead, draw a picture of your friends. Use the lines below to make up your sentences, right? I'm gonna put some sentences. Okay, Kaylee not there. Hold on. I'm gonna put some sentences in the chat. You don't have to use my sentences, make up your own, right?
First, I'm drawing Ariel.
No, you draw your friend.
All right, so this is my sentences in the chat. My friends are very happy today, but make up your own sentence. We're using Bright Sparks for mathematics. And we were talking greater than and less than, remember? We did those exercises, 7 and 8 on page 48 and 49. So we are going into page.
Auntie Tamika, which page?
We're going to go on to page 50. Are you guys ready? Do you understand greater than and less than? More than and less than, remember? Everybody okay with it? I'm going to still give you some exercises another time, but we're going to move on to the symbol equal. Everybody knows what equal is, right? Page 50, exercise 9. Everybody knows that equal means same. Equal mean, what does equal mean?
You're not listening what Auntie Tamika saying, Kim. Hold your pencil.
We are on page 50, exercise 9, 50. Remember, I just said to you guys, listen to me. I'm waiting on Aidan to find the page. Kimoya Goff. Kimoya.
Pay attention.
Look at me, Kimoya. Look at me. 50 is 50.
I find it.
Okay. Exercise 9. See the 9 in the blue box at the top of the page. Comparing numbers. The same as. Are you listening? What does equal mean? Equal means, yes, Kelly, do you know what does equal mean?
Equal means you have to add in a number.
No. When two numbers are equal, what it means? Yes, Kimmy?
That you're adding.
No, the same.
Equal means what? Listen, I said it more than once and nobody's listening to me.
Right.
I'm listening now until I realize.
Equal means the same as. Read the first line beside the number 9 on your page. Touch the words when I say them. Comparing numbers. The same as. That's where I am. It says comparing numbers the same as. Can we look on your book? Comparing numbers the same as. Listen to the instructions now. Count. Use equal to show is the same as when the sets have the same number. Equal sets. Right? So you're going to use that equal symbol. Look at it. I'm going to put it into the chat. Right? Use that symbol. Hold on. Look for it now in the chat. You see that little light, 2 little lines. Use that equal symbol to show when something is the same. When the two numbers are the same, right? Or you have equal sets. Look at letter A on the number 9. It is done for you.
Add.
Count the number of circles. Count the number of circles in the box, in the 2 circles.
1, 2, 3,
4,
3.
So that means
okay, look at it. 1, 2, 3. Over the other side now. 1, 2, 3. The 2 same numbers, right? So that is why we have the equal sign in here.
You're not doing the work, you're not paying attention. So that's why you're not going to do the right thing.
Equal sign is there because it's the 2 same numbers. Go on to B. Count what it, remember what we did the last time? I'm working through it with you. I'm going to show you what to do, right? I'm going to work through it. We are here. We're counting how many triangles are in each circle, and we put the number beside it. We say it has, count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are here, so we're gonna write the number 7 under this one.
5, 6, 7. Right, the real 7.
Right, there's no 7 under there.
Right here. Under here.
So see, I wrote the number 7 there.
I don't know.
Count them.
1, 2,
Count the other circle now. Go over to the other side over here. Count them.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I counted 7 again in the second circle over here. So I'm going to write the 7 underneath it. See, I did that. Are they the same number?
Yes.
So then you put the equal sign in the box, just like I have done.
In the box in the middle. Yes.
See that? Good. We're going to move over to letter C.
Letter C.
Letter C on the other side of the page.
Letter C.
Count those by yourself and write the numeral below the circle.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Write the numeral that you get. See, I have done it. Write the numeral under the circle. Yes, Kaylee, write the numeral under the circle.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, right.
If you get another 4 on the other side, write it under the circle.
3, 4.
Are they the same?
Yes. Yes.
Put the equal symbol into the box.
I already did. I did it.
Awesome. Move to letter D.
D down.
Count the number of rectangles there. And write the number underneath the circle.
5. 5.
On the other side.
Yes. Let's see. Yes, let's see. I got 5.
Write the numeral 5 under the circle. Then on the other side and write the numeral.
1,
Did you get 2 5?
5. 5, Auntie, I got 5.
Did you get 2 5s?
Yes, Auntie.
Then you put the equal sign in the middle where you see the box.
I did it.
Awesome. So you understand equal. Equal means, what does it mean?
Same.
Same thing.
Right, the same as. Equal means the same
Same as.
Okay.
Same as.
Participate. Answer.
I'm not going away.
I am going to be quiet and I'm going to allow you guys to do section from letter E to letter J. Do what I did above. You count the number of things that are inside the circle. Listen to me. Write the number underneath the big circle. Now it's going to be harder because you have to decide if it is more than, less than, or equal. You have to decide. I'm not telling you.
No. Count first.
Count them and write the number. Yes, Aidan.
Where should you must go, Auntie?
You're doing from letter E down to letter J on page 50.
50 done.
You did it all of it, Aidan? You're gonna count them, even if it's hard, you're gonna count them. Write the number under the big circle and decide which number, if the number is bigger, smaller, or equal to, right? Understand, Aidan? You have to count the things. Look at me. You're counting what's in the circle here. Write the number under here. And the first one is done for you. So 5 is less than. That's the less than symbol. 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. And 2, 4.
All right. You have to put what you must put right there. All right. Aidan, yes, you're not understanding? All right, here we go. Cut the first one, it is done for you. Letter E is done for you. How many rectangles are there? You count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're gonna write the number 5 under here. Then, see there, I did it. Then you have how many on the other side? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rectangles in under the other circle. You write the number underneath it. See, I did that. Is 5 greater than 4 or less than 4? 5, is it greater than or less than? Aidan, I'm talking to you. Is 5 more or less than 4? Unmute yourself for me and stop trying to mime. 5 is more than 4, and that is why you have this symbol there. So you're gonna put the greater than sign because 5 is greater than 4. Go down to this other one at letter F. Go ahead, count the number of items in each circle, write the number, and you're gonna put if it is more than, less than, or equal to. Okay, go ahead and you do them now. Go ahead and do it now.